Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. But before we go to sleep, my landlords, let us talk about indaba kaMayeni. Kopa re feng Mayeni something. Tjhelete nyana hore eng e o dutse le yona family le. Kore ke family ya ha Duma ke family ya mang kore o ditse le yona a ba botsa nnete in a very condescending way. Kore underlined disrespect mara wa ba tjela. But what I liked with what she said is that manihamba nina la lo yosala nathi yithi esimele understand ukuthi uyaphola yithi emele sim understand ukuthi health yakhe iba right. So musani encourage ukuthi enze izinto ezibhedayo. Umayini athi wena mawuhamba la uzabe uhappyle kwakho ulethele itiye bakugoqela phansi but uzabe ushiye chaos la hele siphithiphithi re sa tlhaloganye hore eng ke eng. Guys, ifang Mayeni ba re ke re mfang di-flowers ifang Mayeni di-flowers tsa hae ke happy ka yena ke happy ka Mayeni